Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make a smoke bomb from a ping pong ball. Check this out. All I'm using in this demonstration is a ping pong ball. This is a 2,000 milliliter beaker, a pencil, some aluminum foil, and a lighter. The first thing to notice in this demonstration is how flammable a ping pong ball really is. One of the main components of a ping pong ball is nitrocellulose, and you can really see that when it catches on fire, how quickly it burns. But what would that look like if we incinerated 100 ping pong balls? Check this out. Now to make your ping pong ball into a smoke bomb, just tear off a square of aluminum foil, put your ping pong ball in the center of it, and then put a pencil near the ping pong ball so that when you crumple the aluminum foil around the ping pong ball, you crumple it around the pencil to create an exhaust port for the smoke. Try to make it really tight. And then when you've got it nice and tight around the ball, then pull out the pencil and you'll have this little tunnel leading to the ping pong ball inside. So your smoke bomb looks like that. Okay, this next step is going to require me to heat the bottom of the ping pong ball, so I put it in a stand so it'll hold it in place. And you're just going to heat the bottom of it until it starts. It is still going. So what's going on in this awesome combustion reaction is you're combining nitrocellulose with enough heat and oxygen for combustion. And nitrocellulose is the product of the esterification of nitric acid and cellulose. And in the equation, nitrocellulose is C6H7N5O16. And when you add enough oxygen and heat, that combusts and creates the products carbon dioxide, CO2, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and water, H2O. Nitrocellulose is used for all kinds of things, from lacquers to dyes to the propellant for rockets and, of course, ping pong balls and flash paper. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.